Tired of losing your photos and files? Learn how to upload them to OneDrive in under 5 minutes. So here's the thing, we've all been there. You take a great photo or you finish an important document, and then where did it go? Your computer gets full, or worse, you get a new laptop and your files are just gone. That's the exact problem I want to solve for you today. I've been using OneDrive for years to keep everything safe and accessible from anywhere, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. First, we'll find the right folder, then use the Upload button to select your files. Let's get started. All right, so the first step is actually pretty important. Open up your browser and go to onedrive.live.com. Now, look for the folder where you want these photos or files to live. This is a huge part of staying organized. If you just dump everything into the main OneDrive folder, things get messy fast. So take a second to find the right place. Maybe it's a folder called Vacation Photos or Work Projects. If you don't have a folder already, you can create one right there on the page. Just click the New button and choose Folder. Give it a name that makes sense to you. Once you're inside that folder, you're ready for the next step. Now that you're in the right spot, look for the button that says Upload or Create or Upload. It's usually up at the top of the page, and it's a really clear button you can't miss. Click on that. This is your gateway to getting files into OneDrive. When you click that button, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Files Upload. This is the one we want. It's going to open up a window on your computer that lets you browse for your files. Now we get to the part where you actually find the files. Your Computer File Explorer should pop up. This is just the normal window you see when you want to open a file. Navigate to wherever your photos or documents are saved. Maybe it's your desktop. Maybe it's a folder called Downloads. Or maybe it's a folder labeled My Pictures. Take your time here. You can select multiple files at once by holding down the Control key on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac while you click each file. Or if you want to grab everything in a folder, you can use Control-A or Command-A to select all of them. Once you've got all the files you want highlighted, go ahead and click the Open button in the bottom right corner of that window. This is when the magic starts to happen. OneDrive will begin copying your files up to the cloud. Now, just watch the progress bar. It will show you how the upload is going. This might take a moment, depending on how many files you have and how fast your internet connection is. But don't worry, you can keep working on other things while it uploads. OneDrive handles it in the background. Just keep an eye on it to make sure it finishes without any errors. And here's the really important part. After the upload is complete, check the folder. Make sure your files are actually showing up. You should see them listed with their file names and maybe little thumbnails if they're photos. Give each one a quick glance to confirm they made it. This is a step a lot of people skip, and then they panic later thinking their files didn't upload. Trust me, taking those extra 15 seconds to verify saves a ton of headaches. And that's it. Seriously, you just uploaded your photos and files to OneDrive. Now those files are safe in the cloud. You can access them from your phone, your tablet, any computer, anywhere you have an internet connection. No more losing important documents or worrying about your hard drive crashing. You've got this. Go ahead and give it a try with a few files right now. I promise, once you see how easy it is, you'll wonder why you didn't start doing this sooner.